So, here's New Beauty magazine with Khloe Kardashian on the front. Khloe Kardashian used to be the fat Kardashian. Now, she's become a model. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Do you want to be the before Khloe or the after Khloe, who's a new beauty? Well, so we had a big blizzard here in New York. And, so what did we do? We had to go out, and we've been warned way in advance. Way in advance that we have to get water. Gluten-free Special K. Okay, maybe just me. Artesian crackers. This is some of the things that I just had to get since I was going to be stuck in the house for God knows how long without access to food or shopping or my car, streets, anything. So, I got all these cat food, cheesy garlic bread, Lay's potato chips. Definitely something you need when you're trapped and you can't have access to anything. I mean, it's just like almost as important as matches or candles. Cinnabon popcorn, gluten-free. Okay, so I stayed gluten-free, which was a good thing. I've been gluten-free over a year, and makes my stomach feel better. I'm not allergic or anything, but you get the point. So even with gluten-free, I can still eat fattening. Special K, gluten-free, not so bad. Gatorade, protein shake. Well, maybe I could live on some of them. And Friendly's Royal Banana Split ice cream sundaes. Ice cream. So anyway, I told myself, well, I'm going to be stuck inside. Fiji water is what I allow myself to have. Fiji water if I'm going to have to drink a lot of water. I tell myself I can have Fiji. But anyway, so I had to shovel snow to get out of my house, and so I thought I'd be burning a lot of calories. So I was going to allow myself to eat some of this stuff. I went to the grocery without having, this is Salty. Hi, Salty. I went to the grocery without having breakfast or lunch. Really bad move. Never go to the grocery hungry. So now I'm going to teach you how to ruin your food. Okay. Now I had to shoot this twice, so it's already a little icky. So I have my Friendly's ice cream. Now, look at this. Looks appetizing? No, because I ruined my food. Say it with me. Ruined my food. Okay. Take some dishwasher detergent, doesn't matter what kind, put it on the ice cream. Now, yummy. Would you go and eat that? Even if you threw it in the garbage, you won't get it out because you still won't want to eat it with all that icky soap in it, right? We want to be the Khloe Kardashian after picture, or maybe even Kim, or I don't know how many Kardashians they are now. Okay, so now we have our Lay's potato chip. The 2013 winner of this chick made $1 million by guessing this, right? No, we didn't make $1 million by eating it. I certainly didn't. So, what am I going to do so I don't eat the rest of these crappy potato chips? No offense to Lay's. We take our dish soap, can get this for like 99 cents. And I put it in, right? Yummy. And shake it up. And look, we have green garden chewy garlic potato chips, cheesy garlic bread potato chips. Look, now would I want to eat them? No. So I should really do that to the other ones, but I'm not going to do it on this video because I haven't opened them yet. Maybe I could even return it, haha. Anyway, that's how you ruin your food and you stay thin. This is Food Tips with Lori from Market Business Right. Thanks. Let me know if you like this.